Hello, Namaste to all. Welcome to Hum Tum discussion. Today we will see the first topic of neurodevelopmental disorder, previously known as mental retardation. The disorders of intellectual development, previously known as mental retardation, now coded as 6A00 as per ICD-11. ICD-11 has changed the term mental retardation to disorders of intellectual development, that is DID. The term mental has been replaced by the word intellectual and the term retardation has been replaced by the phrase disorder of development. Some of the essential features of DID includes the presence of significant limitation in intellectual functioning, the presence of significant limitation in adoptive behavior, and it occurs during the developmental period of an individual, that is, onset is before the 18 years of age. First, we will discuss the limitation in intellectual functioning. It includes various domains such as perceptual reasoning, working memory, processing speed, and verbal comprehension, and these are required for the diagnosis. Second is the limitation in adoptive behavior, and it refers to the set of conceptual skills that includes application of knowledge, for example, reading, writing, calculating, and making decisions, and communication. Second point that comes under adoptive behavior is social skill. It involves managing interpersonal interaction and relationship, social responsibility, following rules and obeying laws, and avoiding victimization. Third point that comes under the limitation in adoptive behavior is practical skills that include self-care, health and safety, occupational skill, recreation, use of money, mobility and transportation, use of home appliances and technological devices. Now we will see the level of severity. Person's intellectual ability and adoptive behavior skills across all three domains, that is conceptual, social and practical skill, will define the level of severity, and we have to give different scores as per the level of severity. So mild level of severity having IQ score of 50 to 69, moderate 35 to 49, severe 20 to 34, and profound IQ score below 20. In provisional diagnosis, infant or child less than 4 years of age, if individual is having global developmental delay, and if it is not possible to conduct a valid assessment test because of sensory or physical impairment, motor or communication impairment, etc., we will diagnose it as a provisional, and last is the unspecified. What is IQ score? An intelligence quotient score is a numerical value assigned to a person based on their performance on standardized intelligence test. Formula is IQ is equal to mental age divided by chronological age into 100. William Stern, a German psychologist and philosopher, has given this. IQ is intelligence quotient, MA means mental age, the age at which the person performs on the test, CA means chronological age, the person's actual age. For example, if a person's mental age is 15 and their chronological age is 10, their IQ would be 15 divided by 10 into 100, that is 150. This means that the person's cognitive ability are equivalent to those of an average 15 years old, even though they are only 10 years old. Different IQ score ranges. For average individual, IQ score ranges between 85 to 115, above average 116 to 130. gifted 131 to 145, highly gifted 146 to 160, profoundly gifted 161 to 175, and genius 175 and above. The most commonly used IQ test includes Stanford Binet Intelligence Scale, Wechsler Adult Intelligence Scale, Wechsler Intelligence Scale for Children, Cattle Culture Fair Test, Differential Ability Scale, and Binet-Camet Test of Intelligence. Others are also there, but I have included important one. The diagnosis of DID should not be based only on IQ score, but it must also include a performance measure with appropriately and used standardized test of intelligence functioning and adaptive behavior. I have given one question for the practice and you have to answer it in the comment box. What is the term for intellectual functioning that is significantly below average? Typically defined as an IQ score below 70. So options are learning disability, intellectual disability, developmental delay, or autism spectrum disorder. You have to answer